Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, XRP is going to make history in 2025. So, guys, let's get to it. So guys, believe it or not, even with this pullback that XRP is experiencing, guys, we are going through something absolutely historic in this ecosystem. And I'm going to pull it out right here, but guys, I'm not the only one that's thinking that. I want you to just check this article out right over here. Look at what Bitstamp is having to say. Bitstamp says Ripple's XRP is going to make history in 2025, and here is why. Just check this out. Bitstamp, the world's longest running cryptocurrency exchange, has forecasted that 2025 could be a landmark year for XRP. In a tweet shared on Friday, the exchange boldly stated XRP gonna make history next year, sparking, of course, excitement and speculation amongst the XRP army and the wider crypto community. Well, guys, I'm going to show you something right now to actually prove that XRP is already making history. Just check this out right over here. Now, this is XRP on the monthly time frame on Binance, and it's utilizing TradingView. Now, guys, Binance listed XRP in 2018, and these are monthly candles here. And I want you to just see something right here. Guys, look where we closed last month at what, $1.96. Right now, we're trending at what, 217? Well, look at this, guys. All this time, throughout all this period from 2018 till now, the last 6 years, guys, we are making history with a monthly close in just a few days. Should we close above $1.96, then that will be the biggest close that we have had on XRP on a monthly time frame for the last 6 years. In fact, the next closest is down here, which was actually in 2021, of course, where we saw it close, monthly candle close at $1.61. Now, it did get up to $1.97 right there, but the monthly close right here at $1.61. And look at where we had just this month alone, up to $2.90. And guys, anything of a close right here is going to be historic. Now, I know a lot of folks are out there, they're poo-pooing XRP because, well, there's a pullback. Well, when you zoom out, when in doubt, they say zoom out. What do you see here, guys? Well, you see that we are making some really historic moves. And it is truly amazing to watch what's happening now. Meanwhile, the exchange did not elaborate on what history making entails. The announcement is crucial for XRP as major developments are expected in 2025. Notably, earlier reports have highlighted Bitstamp's efforts to strengthen its ties with XRP. The exchange is reportedly developing a derivatives platform on the XRP ledger, which could offer users new and innovative trading opportunities. And guys, what have we been talking about a long time now? I know we're not talking about the derivatives market as a whole, but XRP on the derivatives market is making some historic moves right now. And one of the things about the XRP ledger is, of course, the ability to tokenize derivatives. This is going to be massive in my estimation. Absolutely. When you think of derivatives, guys, you're looking at a market that's somewhere between 600 billion to 1 quadrillion, and the notional amounts are even more than that. It is truly amazing. Now, additionally, speculation around Bitstamp's potential acquisition by Robinhood in 2025 has sparked discussions about increased retail investor exposure to XRP. Announced in June, the deal would merge Bitstamp's global exchange with Robinhood, broadening its international footprint while leveraging Bitstamp's trusted reputation. And the thing is this, guys, when does retail normally get in? Well, they get in when it is going like gangbusters. Most times, the bulk of retail gets in at the top. And when we've seen that happen with every other bull run, don't kid yourself, a move like that makes it a whole lot easier for a lot of retail to get on there using the Robinhood platform and purchase XRP, guys, it could open up some massive doors of people just onboarding like nuts. Now, Adding to the optimism, the anticipated pro-crypto stance of the incoming Trump administration is seen as a potential catalyst for innovation and support for companies like Ripple. This week, Ripple reportedly donated a historic $5 million worth of XRP to President-elect Trump's inaugural fund. Well, don't you think that that would have put XRP on the administration's radar, guys? We already know that it is. You got Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. right already investing in XRP. Guys, there are some major things going on in this space. I think it's literally going to send it. The excitement surrounding XRP is also driven by Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The XRP community remains hopeful that a favorable resolution could bring much needed regulatory clarity. Well, guys, when you're looking at Paul Atkins taking over Gary Gensler's spot, and Paul Atkins is big time pro crypto, a lot of people believe that the case could literally be shelved. In fact, we have clips of, I believe, Paul Atkins saying that this case should have never even been brought to the table. And of course, we know that Christian Giancarlo certainly felt that way. And it is really, I think we're going to see something big happen. And furthermore, further to that, look, even if we do get it before the appeals court and things like that, the clarity that we will get from a higher level court, even if it went to the Supreme Court, is going to be nothing but positive. And they have priced it in, guys. They have priced in a favorable decision into XRP already. And I do think it's going to have some major, major deals. Now, furthermore, the recent approval of RLUSD by the New York Department of Financial Services highlights XRP Ledger's role in enterprise-level payments, tokenization of real-world assets, which we know is massive, and decentralized finance. Now, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently described RLUSD as the gold standard for the enterprise sector, underscoring its alignment with XRP's ecosystem. And guys, right now, RLUSD is breaking records like crazy in terms of adoption. And we know that Tether is being delisted in Europe from a lot of exchanges over there because they cannot satisfy the MiCA rules. Well, in steps RLUSD, and that's big time liquidity for this market. Now, every transaction on the XRP ledger burns a small amount of XRP, potentially increasing its scarcity and value over time. However, while RLUSD's launch initially caused some price volatility, analysts anticipate it will drive increased activity and adoption on the XRP ledger. Now listen to this right here. This is a quote from Versan Algera, our very good friend over there at Black Swan Capitalist. Since RLUSD went live, transactions are surging. Scalability is proving itself and liquidity is flowing. These are the first steps towards consolidating all the world's money. Once every country has its own stablecoin, the new global banking system will be locked in, noted Versan Algera, founder of Black Swan Capitalist. And guys, he's right. Do you know what the actual native token on the XRP ledger is? Because a lot of people think that it's XRP, but that is not the case. In fact, it has been built for central bank digital currencies and stablecoins. XRP is a liquidity process for that. Even for RLUSD, guys, it is a bridge asset between those CBDCs and those stablecoins. And this is really going to be massive, massive, massive. Now, beyond fundamentals, analysts like Jav and Marks are optimistic that XRP will outperform expectations. On Friday, the pundit highlighted that XRP recently demonstrated strength not seen since its 2017 rally, with potential for even more growth. Given XRP's performance, which saw a 600x increase, its next bull cycle could see prices soar by over 6,800%, potentially reaching $168. Marks tweeted, guys, that would be absolutely massive should we see that. I'll tell you what, but I want to show you something else right over here, because we got other analysts that are talking about it, and one of them is saying, hey, buy XRP now, as XRP shorts will face liquidations by this Friday. Guys, just check this out. Market commentator Crypto Bitlord advises market participants to buy XRP now ahead of a potential development expected on Friday. According to him, those betting against XRP's uptrend, known as short sellers, will likely be liquidated by tomorrow. Confident in his forecast, Bitlord even challenged community members to screenshot his bull claim and check later to see if it came to fruition. When it comes to XRP, I've never been wrong, he proudly declared. In parallel, he urged market participants to buy XRP now or risk missing out on the current low prices. At press time, XRP was trading at $2.24, a 2.2% discount from the higher prices it sold the day before. And in fact, guys, as I'm recording this, I think XRP is at $2.17. This decline has further worsened its weekly performance, showing a negative growth of 4.2% over the last 7 days. Well, guys, there's some TA folks out there saying, listen, we could even see a drop to $1.56 and bounce from that and just go wild if it mirrored anything like what happened in 2017. And it is truly phenomenal. Now, while Bitlord is confident that price reversal could happen as soon as tomorrow, he provided no explanation for factors driving his optimism about XRP's price. Well, actually, he did. You go look at the tweet, and what he's doing is he's using his TA to kind of get there and that type of stuff. But guys, check this one out. Expert says we'll soon be talking about XRP at $20.50 and $27.50. Now, here's why. And guys, when I read this title, I was thinking, wow, wow, wow. I remember when we were talking about XRP at 38, 42, 51, and all that. Remember that? Not that long ago. Really, just only 6 to 8 weeks ago, we were at 52 cents. And here we are at the $2 range. Now, listen to what this says here. eGrag Crypto recently shared a technical analysis of XRP's price action in the 1 hour time frame. The chart provided detailed insights into critical price levels, market behavior, and upcoming targets for traders and investors. His post emphasized the importance of strategic decision making, particularly during periods of price retracement, and challenged the community to reflect on their trading behavior. So here he is right here. The 1 hour time frame chart is showing some noise, but the real question is, did you take advantage of the discounted prices? The thing is this, guys, and think about it for yourself. A lot of times when we're watching the green candles, people are like, oh my gosh, I don't want to miss out on those potential gains. And they buy. They buy into green candles. Well, when it retraces and starts coming back down, you know what they start thinking? Oh my goodness, how low is it going to go? How low is it going to go? They're not thinking about the fundamentals of XRP. They're not thinking about what problems it's solving and how it's being utilized and how financial institutions are gobbling it up like crazy for that future utilization. They're not thinking about that. They're thinking about that day-to-day price action. And this is where the emotions of this space take most people literally by storm. They do not know how to navigate it. And that's what he's pointing out here. He's pointing out, hey, here was a discounted price when it was way down here, number one. Price two, or did you chicken out? Remember the next purple, and he goes on, you can look at that tweet. Now, here we are. The level represents the initial retracement, marking an opportunity for accumulation during a corrective phase. Price discount 2, a secondary discounted zone serving as another entry point for buyers aiming to capitalize on lower prices. And you know who gobbled up here, guys? Whales, putting in tens of millions. Do you think they know something that you and I don't? Guys, they're looking ahead. Do you think they're putting in tens of millions because they're hoping, well, I hope to lose 25% of what I put in? No, of course they're not. But they have absolute confidence because, guys, they hear the rumblings. They see the things happening behind the scenes. They're looking down the road. That's why. Now, these levels coincide with a period of market consolidation and a shift in market structure indicated by the break of structure and the change of character annotations. Critical targets for bulls, eGrag emphasizes two pitiable price targets that mark critical milestones for bullish momentum. The first at $2.72 lies within the premium price zone and requires sustained buying pressure to be reached. The second at $2.91 represents a higher resistance level, surpassing it would signal stronger bullish dominance according to the analysis. These levels hold significant importance with movements outside these zones dismissed as mere noise rather than meaningful trends. options. And guys, like I said, when we're looking at stuff happening in this space, and especially you are watching right now, candle close, a monthly close at these levels is historic for XRP. And boy, does it ever cry bullish sentiment in this space. And you literally have major exchanges coming out and saying that their belief is going to make absolute history. Guys, do not want you to miss it. I certainly don't want to miss it, and I absolutely don't want you to miss it. Guys, get out there, research it for yourself, spend the time, and get to know what you hold. For Judy and I, boy, have we ever done it. Like I love to say, we have got that ticket. We are strapped in and cannot wait for this thing to fly right through the atmosphere, way past the moon, and straight through Jupiter. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.